Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm taking my file, I'm laying it on here flat, and I'm giving just a little light across the surface here. Just a little bit. Because as you can see how that's nice and shiny around that hole? Sometimes you bolt this stuff down, especially like aluminum, it can get a little puckered around there. I just got it flat, just giving it a little polish job. Turn it here. Just making sure everything's nice and flat. Make sure there's no burrs or anything. A little brake cleaner on my rag. And take an air compressor. Blow it out real good. Make sure it's all nice and clean. A little brake cleaner on the rag. Clean things up here. Alrighty. So I've got my Permatex, my aviation forma gasket, and I've got all my parts clean. Everything's clean. I got to dig out my gaskets.